returned to the bathroom calling her name. I tried to open the toilet door, but it was locked. I rushed back into the bedroom and opened the sliding door, exiting onto the balcony and screamed for help. I put on my prosthetic legs, ran back to the bathroom and tried to kick the toilet door open. I went back into the bedroom and grabbed my cricket bat to bash the door open. A panel or panels broke off and I found the key on the floor and unlocked and opened the door. Riva was slumped over, but alive.
Now, we've heard what Oscar Pistorius said happened that night, but what will the judge really think happened? And what will be the key to the case to help her reach the verdict? Joining me now, needing no introduction the world over, Janet Johnson, and of course, my partner in crime, Susan Hendricks. And Janet, let me just say this. We always say when we're in court, it's common sense, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. There's no jury here.
You want them to use
right?
their common sense.
We want them to use it. There's a judge. So we've got the common of all common sense here. Susan Hendricks, you've been following this from the very beginning. From a civilian layperson's perspective, what makes sense, what doesn't? What's your key to the case?
I think that the key to the case is her cell phone. I think that he was jealous of her ex-boyfriend. They had lunch 2 days prior to Valentine's Day, and apparently Oscar Pistorius called 2 times during that lunch. Riva did not answer the phone. The ex-boyfriend was interviewed and said, I was wondering why she didn't answer that, and she said, no, everything's fine. If I wasn't happy, I would tell you. And that says a lot, I think, about Riva Steenkamp still being friends with her ex-boyfriend. Everyone that was interviewed said the same thing about her. She was a lovely person. She was gracious. She was always smiling, always happy, and always willing to help others. So I think it's key that he may have been jealous. They had only dated a few months, and maybe that was part of his hot-tempered personality.
Now, that was a great closing argument.
Thanks.
Unbelievable, Susan. What are we talking about with common sense?
I'm going to bring her to court with me.
Can you please help me out on my next closing?
It's a deal. It's a deal.
Janet, what about you? What's your key?
I think it's the cell phone, but I don't think it's her cell phone. I think it's his cell phone. Joey, give me your phone.
There we go.
She grabs the phone. There's a jealous rage because he's been texting all night. She's checking his text. Women do that, Susan. We know as women, we're going to look in the phone. And what's Joey going to do, or Oscar in this case? He's going to be enraged. He's jealous because of her phone. He wants to get his phone back because he has been texting. Let's face it, he probably was texting another woman. She's running into the bathroom with the phones. And lo and behold,
the door's locked. She locks the door.
She locks the door because one phone she can use to call someone if she wants, but she wants his phone to check on what he's been doing all night texting.
I didn't realize she had 2 cell phones in that bathroom. That makes sense.
What does this tell us about technology? Unbelievable. A blessing and a curse.
Yeah,
all right.
So true.
So my key to the case?
Yes.
It all comes down to state of mind, right? That's all this is about. And will the judge, Susan, Janet, will the judge believe that that state of mind was such that there's an intruder there. There's an intruder. And it comes down to love with the state of mind. Was he protecting himself? Was he protecting Riva? Or was it on the alternative, there's no intruder. The love was about a rage of love, which you talk about, Janet. And as a result of that, he shoots her knowing it's her. So what the judge determines in terms of state of mind and what he was thinking will play big on whether she says guilty or not guilty.
But do we all agree not premeditated? None of us are talking about premeditation.
And you always say this, the premeditation can be in the moments before she is shot. Why do you think it's so key if he put on his prosthetics or not? Does that give an indication of if he had time to put them on and then go over and shoot?
Oh, sure.
Or if he was just afraid at the moment and thought it was an intruder?
All of that is huge because it goes to a couple of things. It goes to his ability to ambulate, to be mobile, to run around, to get there. It goes to the issue of urgency. Does he have an opportunity to put them on? Premeditation, thought,
and not
reflection.
Turn and see if Riva's next to him.
Correct, exactly. Or was he just, hell-bent on getting to that bathroom because there was an intruder and he was protecting her?
Or to get his phone back.
Or to get his phone back.
You want your phone back,
Reason
Joey?
and common sense. No, you can take it. Nothing good on there. And those are our keys to the case. Of course, if you want more keys to the case or anything else, HLNTV.com. See us on Facebook, everything else. All right, up next, it's Fight Up Friday.